So, good day sir. So, in this video, I'll be doing the last output or course output of our subject, which is the static routing configuration based on the given network diagram. So, kailangan po natin ng 3 routers. So, gagamit po tayo ng 1841 router. So, 1, 2, 3. Then, rename po natin ito ng R2. And then, this is R1, and then R3, and then each router is meron po silang tigda dalawang in devices. So PC po, so kailangan po natin ng 6 na PC. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So, delete na lang po natin to and then palitan na lang po natin. Para hindi na po tayo mag-rename ng device or mga PC. So, arrange na lang po natin. So, PC1, dito siya. And then, PC2, PC6, PC5, PC3, and then dito yung PC4. So, next po natin gagawin is maglalagay po tayo ng cable. So, the in devices connected to router or going to router is gagamit po tayo ng crossover. So, PC2, fast Ethernet 0 going to router 1 is fast Ethernet 0. Then PC5, fast Ethernet 0 going to router 1, we have fast Ethernet 1. And then router 2, PC1 going to router 2, fast Ethernet 0. And then PC4 going to router 2 is fast Ethernet 1. And then PC6, fast Ethernet 0 going to router 3, fast Ethernet 0, and then PC3 going to router 3, fast Ethernet 0, fast Ethernet 1. Then ayusin lang po natin. And then sa ating router 1 going to router 3, gagamit po tayo ng DCE. Since DCE po siya, maglalagay po muna pala tayo ng module. So, click po natin to and then turn off. And then, gagamit po tayo ng WIC2T and then on. Then, ganun din po. Turn off and then WIC2T, turn on, and then ganun din po sa router 3, turn off, WIC2T, and then turn on. Then ito po DCE, serial, so meron na po serial port 1 going to router 3, serial port 1. And then router 3, DCE, serial port 0, going to serial port 1, and then router 2, DCE, serial port 0, going to serial port 0. So, ayusin lang po natin. So, yan. Then, maglalagay po tayo ng next is description. So, lalagyan po natin dito ng 765 host. And then, next is 150 host. And then, 50 host. PC3. And then, PC6, 900 host, and then PC5 we have 125 host, And then PC2, we have 350 host. And then for our PC2 going to router 1 is we have fast Ethernet 0. And then PC5 we have fast Ethernet 01. And then PC6 we have fast Ethernet 0 going to router 3. And then we have PC3 fast Ethernet 1 going to router 3. And we have PC1 fast Ethernet 0 going to router 2. And then PC4 fast Ethernet 1 going to router 2. And then the serial connection, we have serial port 0 of router 1 going to router 2. And then we have router 1 going to router 3, we have DCE serial port 1. And then we have router 3 going to router 2, we have DCE serial port 0. And then we have router 3 going to router 1, we have serial port 1. And then we have router 2 going to router 1, we have DCE serial port 0. And then we have router 2 going to router 3, we have serial port 1. Then ayusin lang po natin. Yan dito. Ganito. So, next is maglalagay po tayo or magko-configure tayo ng mga PC. So, una is itong PC2 under router 1. So, desktop. Then, IP configuration. So, mag-base po tayo dito sa ating addressing scheme. So, pindutin po natin is PC2. So, copy na lang po natin yung IP address niya. Copy. And then, paste. And then, yung subnet mask niya. 255.255.254.0. Yan. And then yung kanyang default gateway is 192.168.8.1. And then X natin, and then PC5 we have IP address 192.168.11.126. Then subnet mask we have 255.255.255.128. And then we have default gateway, we have 192.168.11.1. Then we have, sinan po natin ito. We have PC1. So, lagay natin dito. PC1 is 192.168.7.254. And then we have the subnet mask 255.255.252.0. And then we have default gateway we have 192.168.4.1. Then next PC4 under router 2, we have for IP address 192.168.10.254, and then 255.255.255.0 yung kanyang IP address, and then 192.168.10.1 yung kanyang default gateway. The next is PC6 under router 3. So we have 192.168.3.254, and then subnet mask we have 255.255.252.0, and then we have also the default gateway, we have 192.168.0.1. And then next is last is PC3. So we have 192.168.11.190. Then we have also the subnet mask, we have 255.255.255.192. And then we have default gateway, we have 192.168.11.129. Then enter lang po natin. So tingnan po natin kung meron. Yan. So meron po. The next is configure off routers for basic configuration. So ano po, router 1 and then CLI. So dito po is no. Then enter. Then enter po ulit. And then enable configure terminal. Configure terminal. So enter configure terminal, and then next is host name R1, and then next is enable secret class, and the next is no IP domain lookup, and then banner MOTD number sign unauthorized is strictly prohibited, exclamation point and number sign, and then enter. Then line console 0. Then next is password Cisco. Then login. Then line VTY04. The next is password Cisco again. Then login. Then next is kukonfigure naman po natin yung ating fast Ethernet 0 and then fast Ethernet 1 under router 1. So PC2 and PC5 po yun. Then sulat po natin dito is interface fast Ethernet 0, then enter IP address 192.168.255 192.168.8.1, then 255.255.254.0, and then enter IP no shutdown. no shutdown. So yun na po, nag-up na po yung kanyang connection, and then enter po ulit, and then IP interface was Ethernet 01, then enter IP address 192.168 192.168.11.1.255.255.255.252, then enter, no shutdown ulit. Then nag-up na lang yung kanyang connection. The next is serial connection. So enter lang po. We have interface serial port 0, and then enter IP address 192.168.11.194, then space 255.255.255.252 yung kanyang subnet mask, and then enter, no shutdown. So next, shutdown, enter. So nag-down na po yung kanyang connection sa ating serial port 0, which is the router 1 going to router 2. Then next is DCE serial port 1 going to router 3. So gagamit po pala tayo dito ng clock rate kasi DCE po siya, and then hindi po tayo gagamit ng clock rate pag DTE. So lagay po natin is interface serial port 1, then enter IP address 192.168.11.201, and then yung kanyang subnet mask is 255.255.255.252, and then enter, and then clock rate kasi DC nga po siya, and then 96, and then no shutdown po ulit, then enter. So yun, nag-down na po. And then next is ko-configure naman po natin yung mga connected router sa ating router 1, yung mga kanilang devices. So PC1, PC4, PC3, and then PC6. So lagay po natin dito is IP route 192.168.4.0, and then yung kanyang subnet mask is 255.255.252.0, then 192.168.11.193. So ito po yung kanyang exit port, then enter. So ito po yung ating kinuha, yung kanyang network address. So we have the PC1 765 hosts. So ito po yung ating kinuha network address. Yun yung kanyang subnet mask. Then yung exit port ng router 2. So ito po yung IP address ng serial port or router 2 natin. The next is yung ating PC PC4. So, lagay po natin dito is IP route 192.168.10.0. So, ating PC4 150. Dito po yan. Yan yung kanyang subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. And then 192.168.1.11.193. So, same lang po sila ng exec port since pare silang nasa router 2. Enter po natin. And then next is IP route. Yung ano po pala next natin is under router 3, which is the PC6. So, PC6, we have 900 hosts. So, ito po yung kukunin natin. So, IP route 192.168.0.0. And then, yung kanyang subnet mask is 255.255.252.0. And then, next is kanyang exit port. So, ang exit port natin is 192.168.11.202. So, ito po yun. 192.168.11.202. Then next is last is yung ating PC3 50 host. So meron po tayo ditong IP route 192.168.11.128. Then yung kanyang subnet mask is 255.255.192. Then exit port is same lang po sila ng na nasa router 3. So 192.168.11.202. Then enter. So nagkamali po tayo. So ulitin po natin. Walang E yung ating route. IP route 192.168.11.128. Wala na po that subject mask 255.255.255.192 and then exit port 192.168.11.202. So yun. So next naman po is yung ating default route. So we have IP route 0.0.0.0.0.0 and then exit port 192.168.11.193 and then next IP route 0.0.0.0 and 0.0.0.0 and then exit port 192.168.11.202 for router 3 and enter. So yan na, tapos na po tayo. Then next is mag-ano naman na po tayo sa ating router 2. So X na po natin to. Then next is router 2. Then CLI. So dito po is no po ulit. Then enter po ulit. And then enable. Enter. Then we have configure, so same lang po yung process po dito. So configure terminal, hostname R2 for router 2, and then enable secret class, and then no IP domain lookup. No IP domain lookup. Mali po tayo sa ultimo. No IP domain lookup. And then next, no IP domain lookup is banner MOTD number sign unauthorized access is strictly prohibited, then exclamation point and then number sign. So banner MOTD unauthorized access is strictly prohibited, and then enter, then line console 0, and then password Cisco, and then login, and then line VTY04. The next is password Cisco, and then login po ulit. Yan. The next is i-configure din po natin yung fast Ethernet 0 and then fast Ethernet 1 port, which is the PC1 and then PC4. So lagay pa natin dito interface fast Ethernet 0, and then enter IP address 192.168.4.1, then yung kanyang subnet mask is 255.255.252.0, and enter. No shutdown domain, no shutdown. So yung ginawa po natin is ito po, sa ating router 2, and enter, and then yun, nag-up na po yung kanyang connection. And then next is yung ating fast Ethernet 1. So enter lang po ulit, interface fast Ethernet 1, IP address 192.168.10.1. So ito po yan. Then yung kanyang subnet mask is 25.255.255.0. Then enter. No shutdown. Then enter. So nag-up na po ulit. And then next is yung serial connection naman po. Router 3 going to router 1, and then router 3 going to router 2. So enter lang po ulit, and then interface serial port 0, then enter IP address 192.168.11.193, and then space, then yung subnet mask is 255.255.255.252. Enter, and then clock rate, since DCE siya, going to router 2. clock rate. Then no shutdown. Then nag-up na po yung kanyang connection. And then next is serial port 1, which is the router 3 going to router 1. And enter lang po ulit. And then interface serial port 1, then enter. Then IP address 192.168.198, then 255.255.255.252. Then enter lang po ulit. So ulitin po natin kasi kulang po yung ating IP address .192.168.11.198. Then yung kanyang subnet mask is 255.255.255.252. Then no shutdown since dito siya. Then no shutdown. Then yan, nag-down na rin po yung kanyang connection. Wait lang po. Nagre-record. Then next is sa ating route. Next is i-configure naman po natin yung mga devices ng mga router na nakakonect sa router 2, which is the PC2, PC5, PC6, and PC3. So, exit lang po tayo. Then, lagay po natin dito is IP route. And then, yung network address ni PC5. So, PC5 is number 350 host. So, 350 host. PC2 pala. PC2 ba? Yes, PC2. So, 80. So, IP route 192.168.11.0. Yung kanyang subnet mask 255.255.255.128. And then next is 192, yung kanyang exit port 192.168.11.197. So ito po yung ba? Yan, tama. Ito na IP route. Tama siguro. IP route 192. Next natin is yung ating 125 host, which is the PC5. PC2. PC5 pala. PC5 ba yun dito? Tama. 255.8.0, 255.255.255, 254.0. And then yung kanya exit port is 192.168. .11.194. So 194 pala to. Ano to? 194 pala to, hindi siya 197. Kaya pala nagtataka ako bakit wala dito yung 197 sa ating So exit na lang po natin to. So exit. Nilagay po natin dito is enable configure terminal. So ulitin po natin to. Copy po natin to kung pwedeng makopy. So, hindi po pala pwede. Enable, enter, and then configure terminal. Lagay po natin dito is IP route, then 192.168.11.0. So PC5. So PC5, and then subnet mask is 255.255. .255.255.128. Then kanyang exit port is 192.168.11.194. Then enter. And then next is PC2, IP route 192.168.8.0. So ito po yun, 350 host. And then subnet pass niya is 255.255.254.0. and then next is yung kanyang exit port 192.168.11.194. So same lang po siya ng exit port since same sila na nasa router 1. The next is router 3. May mali po tayo. So IP route 192.168.8. So dito wala tayong point. I.1 IP route 192.168.8.0. and then subnet mask 255.255.252.0. and then kanyang exit port 192.168.11.194. then enter. And then next is router 3. So PC6 900 host, we have IP address, IP route 192.168.0.0, and then kanyang subnet mask is 255.255.252.0, and then 192, kanyang exit port 192.168.11.202. So check po natin dito. So ito po yung kanyang exit port. Serial port 1. Then enter po natin. Next is PC3 50 host. So ito po yun. 19 IP route. So 192.168.11.128. Then subnet mask is 255.255.255.192, and then exit port same lang po sila, 192.168.11.202. Enter. Then next is yung IP route po. So yung default route niya, and then IP route 0.0.0.0, and then 0.0.0.0, and then exit port 192.168.11.194. Then next IP route 0.0.0.0, and then 0.0.0.0, then 192.168.11.202. So ito po yung sa router 1, and then router 3. So ba't nawala yung router 2? So ulitin lang po natin, IP route 0.0.0.0, and then 0.0.0.0, and then 192.168.11.202, then enter. So ayan, then next is last is an router 3 naman po, CLI. So same lang po ng process. So no, then enter, and then enable configure terminal, and then next is hostname R3, and then enable secret class, and then no IP domain lookup, no IP domain lookup. The next is banner, MOTD, number sign, and unauthorized access is strictly prohibited. Then exclamation point, then number sign, then enter. The next line, console 0, and then password Cisco, and then next login, and then line VTY 04, and then next is password Cisco again, and then log in. Then next is ko-configure na naman po natin yung ating fast Ethernet 0 and then fast Ethernet 1. So lagay pa natin interface fast Ethernet 0, then enter, and then IP address 192.168.8.1, then kanyang subnet mask 255.255.254.0, then enter, no shutdown. Then yan, nag-green na po. So ito yung ating kinuha dyan. Then next, enter lang po ulit, interface fast Ethernet 1, then IP address 192.168.11.1, then 255.255.255.252, then enter, no shutdown. Then nag-up na po yung kanyang connection. Yun po, nag-green na po. Then next is kukonfigure naman po natin yung kaya pala mali. May mali pala. Ito po. Kaya pala ba't sabi ko magkaiba yung nandito? Hindi siya nakaano. So wait lang po. So ulitin po natin. So pag ulitin po natin is listen lang po natin yung kanyang module. Then maglagay po tayo ng panibago. Then on po natin ulit. So nawala po yung kanyang connection, so maglalagay po tayo. So DCE connected to serial port 1, then serial port 1, and then sa ating serial port 1 din. And then dito is DCE connected sa serial port 0 and then serial port 1. So ulitin po natin. Ngayon po natin dito is no, and then enter, and then enable configure terminal, and then host name R3, and then enable secret class, and then no IP domain lookup, and then banner number sign banner MOTD number sign unauthorized access is strictly prohibited. Exclamation point number sign. And then line console 0, then password Cisco, then next login, then line VTY 04, and then password Cisco ulit, then login. So next na po is i-configure na po natin yung ating fast Ethernet 0 and fast Ethernet 1 ports. So lagyan natin interface fast Ethernet 0, and then IP address 192.168.0.1. So ito na po yan, tama na po. Then yung kanyang subnet mask is 255.252.0. So kung na ng 0 dito, 255.255.0, and then no shutdown. Then next is interface fast Ethernet 1, fast Ethernet 1 IP address 192.168.11.129. Then kanyang subnet mask is 255.255.255.192, and enter, then no shutdown, then enter ulit. And then next is configure naman po natin yung kanyang serial connection, which is router 3 going to router 1, and then router 3 going to router 2. So lagay po natin dito is interface serial port 0, and this enter IP address 192.168.11.197, then 255.255.255.192 yung kanyang subnet mask, and then enter, then no shutdown since DCE lang clock rate since DCE since DTE, then enter, then yun. Then next is ba't 192 yung nasulat ko? Nilagay ko 1 So wait lang po, may mali na naman. Dapat pala 255.255.252. Paano kaya to? Minutes na. 54. So yun naman kung ulitin. Wait lang po. So exit po natin. So ulitin na lang po natin ulit. Sayang kasi para hindi na po ako mag-edit. Ulitin na po natin ito. Then, palitan po natin ulit ng bago. So, ito po is DCE router 1 going to router 3, serial port 1, and then serial port 1 then router 3 DCE going to router 2. So, yan CLI. So, no. Then, enable configure terminal. And then, lagay ko natin dito. Host name R3, then enter, enable secret class, no IP domain lookup, then banner MOTD number sign unauthorized. Access is strictly prohibited. Exclamation point, number sign, enter, line console 0, then password Cisco, and then login, then password Cisco po ulit, and then login. Then next. So next po is configure na po natin yung fast Ethernet 0 and then fast Ethernet 1. So interface fast Ethernet 0, then IP address 192.168.0.1, and then kanyang subnet mask is 255.255.252.0, 192.168.0.1.255.252.0, and then no shutdown. Then interface, next is the fast Ethernet 1, then IP address 192.168.11.129, and then 255.255.192, then no shutdown. Then next is configure naman po natin yung serial connection niya. Interface serial port 0, then IP address 192.168.11.197, and then kanyang subnet mask 255.255.255.252, then no shutdown. Clock pala siya since so may clock rate siya since DCE siya. Clock rate 96. then no shutdown. The next interface, serial port 1, ito na interface, serial port 1, and then IP address 192.168.11.202, and then yung kanyang subnet mask is 255.255.255.252, and then no shutdown since DTE, then enter, and then exit. The next is to-configure naman po natin yung mga devices ng mga router na nakakonect sa router 2, which is the PC1, 4, 2, and 5. So, lagay po natin dito interface IP config IP route 192.168.11.0, then yung kanyang subnet mask 255.255.128. Ayan, so PC5 255.128. So PC5 we have 125 hosts. Ito. Kanya sabi naman is 255.255.255.128, and then exit port 192.168.11.201. Then next IP route PC2 350 host 168. IP route yung network address niya is 192.168.8.0. yung subnet mask niya 255.255. so PC2 255.255.254 254.0, and then same lang sila ng exit port since nasa isang router sila. Then enter. The next is router 2 sa PC1, so 765. ito yun. So IP route, then yung network address niya 192.168.4.0, and then kanyang subnet mask 255.255.252.0. PC1 ito yun. Then kanyang exit port is 192.168.11.193. Then IP route ulit for the last is PC4 150 host. Ito yun, 192.168.10.0, 192.168.10.0, and then subnet mask niya PC4 255.255.255.0, 255.255.255.0, then exit port same lang po kasi same na nasa router 2.168.11.193. enter, and then next po is yung default route is IP route. So 0.0.0.0 and then 0.0.0.0 and then 192.168.11.201. Then next for router 2 IP route 0.0.0.0 then 0.0.0.0. Then next 192.168.11.193. Yan. So, tapos na po. Then, proceed naman po tayo sa simulation. So, X na po natin ito. Then, simulation na po. Show all CDMC. So, lagay po tayo ng sa PC1. And then, nalagay po natin sa PC2. And then, PC1. Then, PC6. Lagay po natin. So, nag-fail po siya. Wait lang po. So, double check ko lang. So, 192.168.11.194. Ilang minutes na ba? Haba na pala. So, nag-green na kasi siya, so walang problem. So, try ko lang po ulit. PC1 to PC2, and then PC1 to PC6. Type po natin. So, successful. So, try pa natin mag-add. So, try pa natin mag-add pa ulit. So, PC1 to PC3. And then, PC4 to PC2. And then PC3 and PC3 to PC6, and then PC6 to PC4, and then PC2 to PC1. Try po natin. Yan, so nag-successful naman po lahat, sir. So, save ko lang po. Name is static routing configuration. Static routing configuration. So, save na po. So, yun lang, sir. Thank you po.